In this chapter of field visit, this is a field trip organized from Naldur to Alibag. Now the school has organized this trip and this will be under the supervision of the school teachers. The children will journey from Naldur through all these places and reach Alibag by a bus. Now the first important thing whenever we are setting out for a field trip is what things we have to carry. The basic things which we carry is a bag, your water bottle, books and pen, first aid kit, a map of that local place, then binoculars, camera, cap and a compass. Now here in this chapter the students will be experiencing the places when they travel from here to this route, from this route, and when they reach here. Now here they will be experiencing in relation to what features. First the relief यानी कि वहाँ का लैंड का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है. इज इट प्लेन, इज इट हिली, इज इट रफ. So that is the relief of the region. Then the soil, what is the kind of soil which they can see while they travel. As you know, there are different types of soil. We have always studied in geography. Then the vegetation, what kind of plants grow in these regions when they are where they are traveling. And the human settlements. Now human settlements are of also different types. So when they journey through, they will experience all these things and they will be telling the teacher about their experience. Okay, now some terms which you should know before starting the chapter, that is relief. Relief means the land structure. Land का जो structure है वो कैसा है, it is different in different places. Vegetation refers to the types of plants or trees growing in a particular region. Topography represents a particular area in detail. एक particular area के बारे में सब कुछ detail में दिया जाएगा about its natural and man-made things like the hills, valleys. These are the natural things. Then the roads which are man-made. तो road का जो links है, road कहाँ से गुजरती है, कहाँ पहुँचती है, all this and the lakes will be included in a topography. Then altitude refers to the height. Then we have the paddy field where rice is grown. The next thing to know in field visit is precautions to be taken during a field visit. The first thing is obeying all instructions given by the teacher. Now before setting out, the teacher will give you a set of instructions of do's and don'ts. That has to be followed without fail. That is, you have to obey all the instructions. Next is to ensure that no harm is done to the environment in any way during the field visit. जब भी हम किसी फील्ड विजिट पे जाते, किसी प्लेस पे पहुँचे, it can be any place, it can be any historical monument also. So it is our duty that that particular environment or that particular place is not harmed in any way. Then the next is collect necessary or relevant data as per the purpose of the field visit. सबसे बड़ा एम हमारा जो था वहाँ पे उस फील्ड को विज़िट करना, क्यों करना, क्योंकि वहाँ के बारे में हम स्टडी कर सकें. तो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ बनती है कि हमें वहाँ का जो भी डेटा है, जिस वजह से हम गए हैं, क्या स्टडी करने गए हैं, वो कलेक्ट करना बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. So that is the last purpose of the field visit. Now the concluding part in a field visit is writing a report. Now this report is based on the trip that you have experienced. Now it should be written on the basis of the information obtained after field visit is complete. So whatever report you are going to make, it should be based on the information which you have obtained going to that particular place and after the trip is complete. It should be as follows. Now on what basis should this report be? It should be on the basis information gathered from the field visit. जब भी रिपोर्ट बनाते हैं ऐसा नहीं है यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग व्हाट यू वांट. इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन द इंफॉर्मेशन you have gathered by visiting that particular place. Then photographs also should be included, maps, then informative charts. Now these informative charts are the charts. If we go to a particular place, at some historical place, if you go, there are some informative charts or information relating to that particular place is given. So those are the informative charts. You can put that also in your report. Then there is the questionnaire. Now this questionnaire is a question prepared or questions which you have asked to the people of that particular place where you have visited. So that those also can be included in the report. Okay. Now what will be the format of your report? First will be the introduction of the trip, from where you are setting out to what is your destination and what places you will cover and all that. Then presentation of information obtained. Second format will be the information of whatever you had gathered will be there. Then last is the conclusion. What did you conclude? What did you study? What did you experience, etc. Okay.